Go on.
Ready? Alright, coach, first of all,
Wasn't what I expected. You know, so I expected to be a lot more technical, but a lot of chances, and stuff to talk with the chances, and look out the chances. And when you have teams that can beat properly, and you need to beat them, you know, and score the goals. But our execution was good from defense going into midfield. We're just a little bit very relaxed in the final third, and we need to improve that. But we're going to take it one game at a time and move on from it.
This team is one of the teams that have for like season. Last season had them, and this season actually mature more. In regards to maturity and experience, what are your expectations of this for this season? You have not seen what they can do on the pitch, other than in a competitive game.
Well, we just want to take one game at a time. You know, we know what the team is capable of. They are a year older, a year mature, so they are more experienced, so they know to deal with the nuances of a manifold season. So we just expect them to grow from strength to strength at the end of the season.
In regards to a bit more clinical in front of the goal.
Definitely. I mean, we're creating chances, you know, but we don't not finishing, and we need to work on it. So we'll continue doing some work and preparing for this game.
Also, defensively, you guys are solid as well. What's discipline like in regards to the defenders and how they feel?
Oh, the defense is playing very well. I mean, we have good shape, good integrity around the back. They're very circumspect, and they don't take chances, they don't take risks. And I tell them, you know, every game that we get a clean sheet shows the maturity that they're getting. So I really tell them and make them drive to get clean sheets. So good to get a clean sheet.
All right.
Thank you very much.